actually. I still have online classes to attend to, so I brought my online class set up with me. I have my laptop, my iPad, a notebook for my classes, and even a uniform because tomorrow is my final thesis defense and I'm moderating for the class. So I really need my uniform. So yeah, I won't be part of the itinerary that they made, pero I'll probably visit another cafe in Baguio and finish my requirements there and attend my classes at the cafe para naman ma-feel ko na nasa Baguio din ako, di ba? Yeah. The coffee cup says La Union and I really want to go to La Union. So, let's see if we can visit La Union anytime soon. I'm planning to visit it on my birthday. Sana mag-G yung mommy ko. Got our drink, so we're leaving. Wait. Welcome to Baguio. First time in Baguio after 4 years. Like, I used to spend my birthday here yearly. Kasi summer yung birthday ko. And we used to go here every summer when I was a teenager to celebrate my birthday. Then the pandemic happened, stuff. Tapos, I think the last time I was here was 4 years. Uy, si Enyong!
Saan?
Ayun o. Yeah, I think the last time I was here was like 4 years ago, 2022. Or 2023, ganon. Something like that. But yeah, we're here. We finally arrived. Anyways, ano makapasok na kami sa condo kasi I have a deadline to finish. I really need to finish that deadline. It's due later.
Eto, naka-vacuum na.
Everything is pink.
Naka-vacuum. Ito ba yung doorbell?
Sila ba yan? Tama ba? Tama! We just arrived and the first thing I'm doing is working on a drug study. I brought a laptop. We need Wi-Fi, guys. Nasa baba pa po. May Wi-Fi. I left my iPad downstairs and I really need it for a deadline. So we're going downstairs. Balikan tayo sa taas, guys. Change cam because my phone died. As you can see, guys, may identity crisis talaga yung suot ko. Akala ko hindi malamig, pero medyo malamig ko lang siya. Anyway, just finished my drug study and right now, nag-organize ako ng workspace dito kasi gusto ko yung view sa labas habang nagsusulat. I'm gonna be fixing my notes since ongoing din naman yung synchronous classes namin this week, even though I'm in Baguio. So, I'm planning to fix my notes. Nagdala talaga ako ng notebook, ng pens, and everything kasi I have a lot of notes to fix. Outside, we're going to SM kasi we're gonna buy some stuff. And anyway, for someone who has class at 5:30 PM, ang lakas ng loob kong lumabas at 4:50. So I guess I'm just gonna join the Google Meet kahit nasa labas ako. So may napili siyang jacket. Marco, show your jacket. Pogi ka dyan? Wow. So, we bought a jacket for Marco. Kasi nga, wala siyang dalang
Pareho
jacket.
tayo.
Ay, wow. Pareho kayo ng damit ni Ate Pia, oh. Babayaran na natin yan. So, ayan, at this time, todo chika ako sa supermarket. Pero ang endpoint lang naman nito ay bumili kami ng groceries for the next few days. Hindi ko alam na wala palang Ojo. Tapos ayun, nagalis ako ng jacket kasi ang init sa supermarket. So, time check. It's already like 8 p.m. Super late ako sa online class namin. Actually, nag-join naman kami na nung nasa SM. Pero, I left nung malalobat na yung phone ko. Tapos, bumalik ako as soon as I got home. Kasi, guys, super hirap maghanap ng taxi. I wasn't told na ganun pala kahirap maghanap ng taxi ngayon dito sa Baguio. Grabe, ang haba-haba ng pila dun sa supermarket ng SM, which is not usually the case. Nung dati kami nagbabaguio. Pero matagal na kasi yung last Baguio ko, so hindi ko alam. And probably because of the oil price hike na din. Anyway, I'm currently in class. Edit ko ulit yung drug study from kanina, yung ginawa ko kanina.
Hindi pwedeng mamaya.
I like this one, guys. So yeah, we're looking at this stall that sells.
Ayun, mga 100 yun. Ito? Yes.
I'm getting gifts for my friends. So I got
Yan na yan.
keychains for my college friends. So this for Jasmine. This for Ate Megan. This is for Kobe. This for Jeanette. For Alina. For Francine and for Franz. So I got this cap, guys. I really love. This is one of my most favorite parts in Baguio, the flea markets. Flea markets are so fun. Also, I bought this kasi it matches the athleisure that I brought. The other athleisure that I brought. Most of the outfits that I brought are athleisure. 20 man.
120.
Kunin mo nga isa.
May 20 lang kayo, ma? 20.
Wala po. It's the next day, guys. And I'm going solo kasi may class ako later. And ang bagal talaga ng wifi sa taas. So I'm going to a cafe to possibly use their wifi. Everyone else left the house already. Ay, si Pia pala nandun pa kasi she woke up kinda late. Pero everyone else left the house already kasi pumunta silang Burnham. Kasi my younger cousins are asking if they could ride the bike. Nasa gilid ng highway yung lakaran, guys. I really enjoy walking in cities. Wala kasing ganito sa Cabanatuan eh. Hindi siya walkable. Like, Cabanatuan is not walkable at all. So, yeah. We're going to Farm Cafe. Like, not even a 5-minute walk. Oh my God, what if hindi pa bukas? Bukas na ba?
transfer to a different cafe for my afternoon class kasi I've been staying in foam coffee for so long na nakakahiya na. Masyado na akong parasite sa wifi nila. So, let's go. Medyo naligaw ako, guys. Sa kabila ako pumunta. Sa other way pa lang. Pero, hindi naman totally naligaw kasi saglit pa lang ako nalalakad. I really enjoy walking. Dala akong uniform and ID kasi required daw na naka-uniform and ID. Guys, nakalabas din ako. So, hindi ako natuloy na mag-defense sa cafe kasi nga, the defense was taking so long. Like, it started at like 1:30 and it just ended. And it's around 6 p.m. already. So, before yung group namin, umuwi na ako. And guess what? Defended! We passed. Pero syempre, may revision. So, right now, as soon as natapos yung class, lumayas na talaga ako kasi I'm gonna be following them for dinner. I walked from the garden to Marcelo.
Babayad nyo eh.
It's like a 30 minutes. We were already eating when I arrived.
Wala pa nga ako sa Harrison nung sinabi ko Harrison daw. This is really good. Kasi may nuts. I don't like the fact that it has nuts. I don't like the nuts. Naalala ko yung kaibigan ko. Jeanette, hindi mo may experience no. Kasi allergic siya sa seafood.
Can you guys see how thick the fog is? Grabe. It wasn't like this last night. Oh my god, it's getting thicker. Look. Oh my, the camera is not giving it justice, but I swear it's getting so thick. I have nothing much to do. Magbabike na lang daw si Marco. So I guess I'm finishing my vlog here. Guess what? May duty ako sa hospital mamaya at 10 p.m. So as soon as I got home, I'll probably get ready to leave for the hospital. Hi, loves.